Welcome back. Welcome back to Investopia Worldwide. Super excited to be here with you with another session here. Hopefully, you guys have been getting some of our short content we're putting out. Go check it out. Top altcoins, 80-20 rule. That was really exciting about like what should you have in your portfolio, how much of what. And we talked about that in the short. So welcome back here to another session, short session. What are they going to do? You know, what is Bitcoin going to do? Are they going to go up? Are they going to break resistance, or are they going to fall for this weekend? And I'm going to share with some of you guys have been asking about the Telegram and asking about, where I've been educated, where I'm still getting educated because I'm getting ongoing education. Why is a baby boomer like myself so excited about this space? Real quickly, we wanted to come on here and share with you some information. And I tell you, I love being on YouTube. It's new. This was something that was like really tugging on my spirit for like a year of taking this knowledge out and giving it to the masses to impact, as many people as we can. So I don't claim to know it all, but I've been in this industry for 8 years, this particular space, and we're seeing some success. And I want to share it with you. We have an amazing trading group, Telegram group that you can get in. And all of the information I'm talking about is in the descriptions below. Now, I'm doing this at home. I got a bunch of dogs. If you hear them barking, those are dogs. We love them. And so we can get through all of that because I want you to know anything that you can do right from the comfort of your own home. So what are they going to do? I want to come in and show you that we're going to be in some trades. You can trade with me. You can send me an email at our wealth building email group, and I can get you into that Telegram where you actually get those signals, okay? Also, you can also trade with me. You can trade with me with a particular trade. Let me see if you guys can see this particular broker. Let me go ahead and share my screen. All right, yeah. So you can I'll talk to you about that broker. So yeah, you can come right here at n1cm.com. This is an amazing popular broker here that we're trading stocks with, that we're trading indices with. And you can get my referral link and trade exactly with me. When I take trades, you can take those trades as well. You can trade with me. Description is in below. Now, we have some more information that I want to give you. We're going to be taking a trade right here. Actually, I am in a particular trade, but I may get in live right now. I'm in a trade. This is CoinW. This is all crypto. So this, for those crypto gurus, big shout out to Da Vinci David. Giving him a big shout out. One of the gentlemen I follow is the one that bought Bitcoin below $1, really. The video is really sharp, just by $1 freaking dollar. $1 freaking dollar, man. If you would have bought $1 freaking dollar back then, you probably would be doing a call like this. So I am actually in a limit order right now, waiting for this to activate, and we'll go over that as well and show you if you want to trade with me on CoinW. You can do that as well. You can follow me as we do these analysis on this particular trade. Now, I do trade on an MT4 as well, and I'm actually in a trade early, and I'm going to show you, if you desire, you want to get in Bitcoin a little bit early, depending on what it's going to do. Is it going to go up? Is it going to go down? Is Ethereum going to break, or is it going to go back down? And everything is all subject to sentiment, the analysis, what they're doing fundamentally, ETFs, everything is like going crazy. So we're going to look at some information and then we're going to get right on into it. Okay. Let's go ahead and look at some information about Bitcoin. Bitcoin is steady staying 146 days of trading between 40K and 50K. So it's been going sideways, right? Yeah, sideways market. And you can trade a sideways market on a lower time frame, depending on if you're a scalper or you're a day trader, you can get you some trades in that way. Quick take, Bitcoin price rallied from October 23, which saw a soar from 25K to 49K in January 24. Witnessed a digital asset hitting the 40K mark for his first time since April 22, December 24. What does all this mean? So it's steadily consolidating at 40K to 49. So we see it been going sideways everywhere. Everybody's talking about, this 50K, could it hit 50K? And then it's just like shoot back down. We already know what the discount price is. Everybody's talking about that, okay? And because of that and where the dominance is on the Bitcoin, what's happening with altcoins. So, however, it lost 40,000 support level at January 22 Bitcoin trading price currently hovers around 42. Digging deeper, the price analyst in 5,000 increments reveals the patterns of Bitcoin has been trading with the price range of 40K to 40K to 44.99 and 146 days. The duration has recently taken previous since the 35K, 39K range, which span approximately 130 days. Now, if you want to look at this, you can see the price bucket right here from 0 to 4,278 days spent, from 5,000 to 999, 716 days spent, from 10 to 14. You get it. Okay, so here we are now between 40 and 44, or 45 and 49, 100 days. Okay, and even when it got to that all-time high, it was only there for 4 days. So right now, we are in consolidation. Market is in transition. ETFs are out. Grayscale and BlackRock, they're all battling between each other. And what does that mean for us? Our job, is one thing that I learned, is to be patient. To be patient, to let the market play out, to get some really good positions. So I'm going to go ahead and show you what we're looking at here with Bitcoin. And you can definitely follow me along. And if you choose to want to get in with me, you can do that. Okay. Our job, great. One thing that I learned is to be patient. To be patient, to let the market play out. All right, great. So we are live. You can hear me. So right now, as the article said, we are about 43,234. As you can see, there's something growing here. As you can see, like right here, this is almost like an inverted head and shoulders is creating, and we could get a little bounce up like that, and it could go and test that 44 again. It could test that 44,764 zone. Last time it did that, you can see if we look way over here, it tested this area, this range, back in, let's see, so this was in January, around January 7th, it came up and hit this January 7th, 2004, and then it went up a little bit higher, created a double top, and here we are at 46. That is pretty much the high right now, 46.68, when it was in this channel. As I go back in the past, you can see it was in the channel here, coming into January 24. and created that double top. And then it came out of this channel. ETFs were being built up on all of the hype. And then when the news came out and approved, it just tanked. And now you can see it has come all the way down. That would have been a good spot to get. If anybody got that spot, that would have been a good spot to definitely get you some Bitcoin during that time. Hopefully you got some. I know our team in the legacy in our wealth building chat, we got some Bitcoin down here about 31. Now everybody is saying it's going to go lower, but right now we're still on a higher time frame going sideways. Okay, we do have some particular patterns that look like we could continue to go up. If I was to draw just a small little trend line up like this, okay, you can see that we've got a nice looking V that they look for in the stock market. And we got an inverted head and shoulders right here. And so we're testing this resistance, and price could break. Okay, could break. It's been up here trying to smack through here all these different times, and that means they want to break. But as some say, they could be a bull trap. So you don't want to buy here. You want to wait for a dip. If it comes back down into this area around 42.7 and it stays above 42.786, you go on the lower time frame around the 15-minute, there could be a possible buy, just like we took on Thursday. If you would have been trading with us in our Telegram, we took a small little buy and we got that buy and we cleared our TP. Okay, and so I'm looking for this to come up, but I do have a sell that's in place right now, and I have a sell limit a little bit higher. Ultimately, I'm looking for Bitcoin to fall. I'm looking for Bitcoin to fall. Okay, I'm looking for Bitcoin to fall. We're looking for Bitcoin to fall. And this is why. So this area, as I said before, has been a lot of resistance here, but this is a beautiful looking inverted head and shoulders, and now we're potentially trying to push up. Okay, and it got smacked down over here, got smacked down at the news when the news came out this morning at 8:30. It bounced and it came back up. So if you're looking at this on a smaller time frame, on the 15-minute, you can see that Bitcoin again is trying to get to this high and break this high. So I have a sell limit, yes, because I'm looking for Bitcoin to capture these wicks over here and then come back down and then fake everybody out and possibly come here. So I do have a sell limit in this area, and I do have a particular sell right now that I took that we are in profit around 43, 44, 24. So stop loss is at entry, and we're just waiting to see if this is going to break down. It would have to break that support line here and continue to come down like that. All right, so be careful, because right now price is above our 50, price is above my haul here. You can see price above the histogram down here on the oscillator. So everything is still pointing to that it wants to come back up and try this area. When we look at it on a higher time frame on the daily, you can see that we have a whole lot of resistance in this area here. Will it get to 50? Some people are saying it might want to try to break 50 and break 50. It could do it, but we are getting into an area where now we may need to get a pullback first in the supply area here, and but come back and test this low, and then we could get a buy signal maybe on a 4-hour, and then take back off to the 50. So everything is really just have to be patient to see what Bitcoin is going to do. But it is above some of the confirmations that I have are above some of my indicators that are saying that it does want to continue up a little bit slowly. Okay, and then we have more resistance. As we look left, we have more resistance. So there's a lot of resistance. So 44 could be a nice area for a nice sell limit here before we head back down. Okay, and what they want to do, they want to capture all of you who get FOMO and then liquidate you on the way back down. So let's just say we're going to wait. Here's my buy limit on coin W. My buy limit is ready. We've got a buy limit order ready to go. Let's see, futures, go to futures. All right. Open order. So we've got an open order right now. This is my take profit and my stop loss. And right now that this is 43,600. So 43,600 is right in this zone here, right above this zone right here. So I have a sell right now that's bouncing. I could take profit if I wanted to, but I'm just gonna let it ride right there. And because if it do decide to just all of a sudden tank, then we would be in profit, and we can come down and test this area right here, and we can take our, let's see, our TP is 42,207, 42,207. So 42,207 is right down, right in this zone right here. So that would be about close to 3% profit right there that we would get on that move. And you can see it's coming down right now. So it's bouncing. So what I did is I covered myself because I like it so much that I got in and played this zone here. But if it did come up and gave us a nice wick, captured these highs over here, and then came back down and retested below 43, then I would have both positions in profit. So that's why I'm playing it this way. If you want to play, pray. If you want to play or pray, you want to play. Let's go pray. We know. Let's believe. But if you want to trade with me, you can trade with me on CoinW. Follow my trades there. All the descriptions are in below. If you want to trade with me on N1CM Capital, trade with me. My referral link is in the particular descriptions below underneath. Let me show you a little bit about the Academy. Academy is a strong. For those who are looking for to be educated. You're waiting for people to come on YouTube. You're waiting for me to come on YouTube. You're waiting for a lot of people to come on YouTube. And those guys, a lot of them are great, you know, even the Moon Show, Carl, big shout out to him, you know, thousands and thousands of followers. I even, you know, they're in Dubai. So, you know, if you're watching them live, it's early in the morning. But I usually catch up with them in the afternoon. And they have some great analysis. They have some great people coming on their shows. And so I do recommend following them. But how can you learn just being on a YouTube channel for an hour? I'm about to sign off right now. So let me give you a little overview of what our academy is like. Yeah, I'm really affiliated with Amazing Academy right now here with AI technology that are teaching. Oh man, so many people making an impact with people who want to learn this skill because of some small percentage of people who trade are profitable. And let's just say from 65, 75, 85% profitable, where they could literally make a living off of it is because of lack of information, lack of fundamentals, understanding of how the markets work. So it just makes sense for someone who really has a desire to want to win in the markets to take advantage of the education that is out here. There's a ton of education out here, but I've learned that education is the key. But you have to invest in it. You have to invest in your education. Free just doesn't cut it. Free doesn't cut it. Free to me is like I'll get to it when I I have goals, but I'll get to it. I got a book somebody gave to me, and I put it down 2 months later. You haven't got through chapter 1 yet. But when you invest in something, when you invest in yourself, there's no greater thing you can invest in is yourself. When you invest in something, then you take it a little bit more personal. You see some value is because you invested into it. So I've invested time, effort, resources, mentorship when it came to learning in this space. And now as the markets evolve, education is evolving. Well, we have so many educational academies that's available that people can learn from. So our academy here is a comprehensive financial literacy 2.0 that gives you a deep dive into understanding forex and Bitcoin, managing orders, instant trade systems. Join the largest financial market in the world with the best education and training available. That's right. Learn with Smart. We call him Smart, but his name is Art. Your personal training assistant. This system is going to walk you through every step of the way, because whether you know it all, if you believe you know it all, it just proves you don't know enough. But all of us, from a novice to from basic to intermediate to advanced, have gaps. And there are so many hidden things in the market, so many hidden gems that you can find, but you've got to have the education in the beginning to get it. And this is why I'm really excited about promoting this particular educational platform. Learn with Smart, basic. Learn from basic financial literacy with easy to follow lessons. Intermediate, take the next level learning intermediate topics and sharpening your skills. Advanced, connect the dots and push your education further to deep diving into advanced training. Guys, this thing is strong. And you even get an app, meaning this is desktop, laptop version, but they've got a mobile app that you can literally learn and earn. That's right, you're going to get educational ideas as well, that while you're learning with Smart, every step of the way, live training, you'll be able to get on and live train, ask questions. You'll be able to do so much in this academy that even if you were on the go, you wouldn't miss a thing. Yeah, let me show you a little bit about our app. This is strong. I want you to go down right now to your Apple Store, your Google Play Store, and download that app right now. You can download it for free. That's right. You can download that app for free and see how some of the things work with that app. Make sure your notification's on. You're going to find out when there's live training, Bitcoin training, crypto training, Bitcoin trading. I tell you, all the things you can learn about the foreign exchange market is available there as well. We even have an algorithm there for investing, for hands-free trading. We have that trades in the spot market, but you keep all your money in your account. That is powerful. If you want more information, descriptions in the below. Email me on that as well. All right, ladies and gentlemen, let's get back to the market as well. Let's get back to the market. Let's get back to the market. Let's get back to the market. Let's go, let's go, let's go. So you can see I'm in profit right now. I am in profit. Looking at my MetaTrader 4, I am in profit. I am in profit very well. I'm up maybe, I'm up 1% right now. So this is the beauty of trading on the lower time frames while you are waiting for the bigger moves. You're trading in these zones, okay? And if I was to turn my super trend on, boom, you see I got a sell, came up, bounce. Okay, small little retest in this zone here. And I was able to get this trade. So this is what I was thinking. This is why I took this trade right here, waiting to see my other alternative at 43,600 was that wick come up, smack, look left, came up, got smacked back down, and boom. So now what I can do, I can move my stop loss to entry, and I could just keep playing this zone until I get a break one way or another, and you can do. We teach all that in our Telegram. We put the signals in our Telegram as well. And so definitely send an email, let us know that you want to get in our Telegram for that. Let me really quickly look at Ethereum for guys who trade Ethereum. All right, we are in some good profits. Now, it's also a sell here with Ethereum. You can see I got a little trend line happening right here. Got a little trend line happening right here. And let me bring this down just a little bit. All right, there we go, 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 there we go. All right, so we're in this triangle pattern right now, but right now we have been trading, as you can see, we've been trading, but I really believe that we're going to come on back down to this low here. So looking at this, it's a little probably too late to get it right here. This would have been the perfect area to get it. If we would have got it probably on the 30-minute, this would have been an area right here in the zone to take that trade. So if the trade gives us another, could possibly come back up and give us an entry and let us in, then you can get it and ride it back here. It's riding the trend. Everybody knows that the trend is your friend. And so it's more or less confusing and harmful if you just trade with the trend, look for your pullbacks and create your zones, and then get your entries. I'm going to teach you on entries too one day, entries and exits, and that would be cool for you guys to see. But as you can see right now, we've got a nice little flag. This flag looks like it's over, and if it captures this low, we can see it come down to this zone. And just from there, you would have got that from here to there. That would be almost another 2.5% gain with Ethereum. So right now, Ethereum is moving ultimately on a higher time frame. We're caught, like I said, in this triangle pattern. It is still bullish, but it would be nice to see it come back down into the low 2000s. And some say it may even break and come down all the way to 1600, which we do have that set up as well. Okay, breaking this area here out of this channel and pulling back. This is the same trend line, but you can see we have some more discounted price down into the low to the 2000 till we get down here. Now the halving is in May, keeps going back and forth. Halving is May. So we're going to be getting these sweeps like this. We're going to be getting these sweeps like this. But I really believe February is going to be a good month for those who are trading. Just trade responsibly, use right risk management, and you'll be fine. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the call today. We had some amazing trades that hit in forex as well. We traded NAS. NAS, I'll show you NAS indices for those who trade indices. We caught an amazing trade and this bad boy just really took off. We called this trade way from down here. Let me turn off the super trend here. We called this trade yesterday, and this trade came out of our triangle, and it went, wow, that was amazing. 381 points, over 3,000, 3,800 pips. Nas went, and we called it in our wealth building telegram. Guys, so you want to be a part of this. You want to get involved. You want to follow us, like and subscribe, hit the notification bell, help build up the account. I'm going to be giving out some free shirts. That's right. We've got free shirts coming. Yeah, we got free shirts. We got four free shirts contest. Investopia. You get to pick between the gray and you get to pick between the white. Yeah, we got some free stuff coming. So be on the lookout. We got some hats coming for those who are going to trade with us, those who are going to help promote and be a part of this amazing journey as we get started. Appreciate each and every one of you for jumping on. Like, subscribe, let a friend know, share, and definitely you can't outgive the giver. The giver will help you in many, many ways. Again, Investopia, we out. Let's go.
Live trading education, e-commerce solutions, next level scanners, real estate strategy boosters. Learn, grow, and dominate your social media. Redefine your future success with more power. New live educators, more features. FL2 Plus, the evolution you've been waiting for.